When it comes to car maintenance, you probably think of the obvious things, like getting oil changes, tire rotations, and checking your brake pads. However, is your car battery on the list of maintenance to-dos? Toyota of Orlando has some simple tips to keep your car battery in top shape for the best performance possible. Inspect your battery regularly. You should look for signs of swelling, bulges, cracks, leaks, or rusting. Also be sure to check the cables and connectors to ensure they're in good condition as well. Clean the battery terminals. An easy way to do this is to pour a can of Coke over them after you've removed the connectors. This will also help clean corrosion off the rest of the battery. Another option is to use a wire brush and a paste made from baking soda and water to clean the terminals. Just make sure you rinse thoroughly before putting the connectors back in place. Now coat the battery with grease. Choose one that's resistant to high temperatures. Our techs can help you pick one out, and this will help prevent rusting and corrosion of the battery. Lastly, check the voltage. You should routinely check your car battery's voltage to ensure it still has enough get up and go to get your car started. If you don't have the right tools, our techs can easily check the voltage for you and let you know if you're due for a replacement battery. You should also always be on the lookout for trouble signs. Here are some indicators you may be in need of car battery service or replacement. You notice swelling, bulges, cracks, corrosion, or rusting. You smell a rotten egg or sulfur smell coming from under the hood. This means your battery is leaking. Your car takes longer to get started or won't start at all. Your car check engine light comes on. In these cases, call Toyota of Orlando and have our techs take a peek under the hood. We can get you back on the road in no time. Need to schedule car battery service or replacement? Call us today or stop by 3575 Vineland Road. We're just off I-4 near the Millennium Mall.